In my exam insights and strategies video, I make a point about how valuable making word association lists can be for you when you study. And this slide is a great example of that. 3 types of ownership, each one has specific words associated with it. It'll help you recall those on the exam. Ownership and severalty is ownership by one person or one entity. And it's the entity part of it that gets students confused on the test many times. So if a large corporation with 10,000 shareholders owns a piece of real estate, but it's the corporation that owns it and it's in the name of the one corporation, that's ownership and severalty. Doesn't matter how many stockholders they have. If the corporation owns it, that's one entity, that's severalty. Joint tenancy. Joint tenancy has these key facts that you reviewed in your course material. Equal shares of ownership, right of survivorship. When one party dies, the other party gets the entire property. And no matter what one party had in a will, joint tenancy always overrides a will. That's different than tenants in common. The key points for the test about tenants in common are you can have unequal shares. 3 people own a property, one can have 30%, one can have 40%, another one can have the other 30%. You can have unequal shares with tenants in common. You can't in joint tenancy. That's how they'll ask you to compare those on the test. Okay? And tenants in common has no right of survivorship. One of the 3 parties dies that owns the property as a tenant in common, their interest in the property is going to go either to their heirs or their devisees. Ooh, another vocabulary word, devisees. Devisees is something that they identify in their will. That's the person in the will that they want to get their stuff. So that's what a devisee is.